Huawei held a major launch event in China to announce multiple new products, including the Nova 16 lineup. The series includes 4 models, such as the Nova 16 Ultra, Nova 16 Pro, Nova 16, and Nova 16Z. Huawei Nova 16 come in clear blue iridescent mother of pearl sky white starry night black. The Huawei Nova 16 Pro and Nova 16 Ultra share a 6.84-inch OLED display with a 2856 by 1320 resolution, 1 to 120 Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rate, powered by Huawei's Kirin 9010S chipset. The main module has a 50MP sensor and its f/1.9 lens lacks OIS. The telephoto module is pretty good though, a 50MP RYYB sensor combined with an OIS-enabled 3.3x lens. A 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The selfie camera has a 50MP sensor. Phones feature 7000 mAh cells with support for 100W supercharge. Pricing starts at 3,899 Chinese yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.